The large 30L hopper provides ample capacity for storing viscous materials, ensuring a continuous and stable supply during the filling process. The powerful magnetic pump, driven by an independent servo motor, delivers a precise and accurate flow rate of up to 45 liters per minute. The machine operates smoothly and efficiently, with a conveyor belt transporting bottles to the filling station. The pneumatic filling head provides precise control over the filling volume and automatically shuts off. Its drip-free design ensures a clean and efficient filling process. The indexing system ensures that the bottles are securely held in place, preventing movement and spills. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on Zonesun.